Aside from a few changes in equipment between trim levels, the 2017 Chrysler 300 carries over unchanged. We recommend, though it's not going to be in every 300 purse budget, the Chrysler 300C Platinum represents the 300 at its best. The top-level 300 boasts some styling flourishes that further solidify the sedan's bold character, and it comes standard with just about every available feature, including the premium 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. For less money, the 300S is also appealing. It provides a desirable mix of both luxury and sport, particularly if you get the V8 engine. Trim levels and features. The 2017 Chrysler 300 is a full-size sedan available in 4 different trim levels: 300 Limited, 300S, 300C and 300C Platinum. Regardless of trim level, the 2017 Chrysler 300 comes standard with a 3.6-liter V6 292 horsepower and 260 lb-ft. That same engine makes a bit more power in the 300S, 300 horsepower and 264 lb-ft. An 8-speed automatic is standard, as is rear-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is optional. Trim-tested. Each vehicle typically comes in multiple versions, although trim levels share many aspects. The ratings in this review are based on our full test of the 2015 Chrysler 300C 3.6 liters V6, 8-speed automatic, RWD. Note: since this test was conducted, the 300 has received some revisions, including some feature availability revisions. Our overall findings remain applicable to this year's Chrysler 300, however. Driving rating. The Chrysler 300C is a big American sedan with a floaty ride, but the V6 is more than adequate and there's space aplenty. Cars such as the 300 are becoming rare these days, and though there are flaws, the car's size, quietness and price make a compelling case. Comfort rating. The 300 is a big car, and it shows pretty much everywhere. On the highway it's mostly smooth, but after small bumps it tends to have a wallowy, floaty ride. This is at odds with the impact harshness from big bumps, where the seats feel more like a couch than a captain's chair. Interior rating. The reason the 300 is so big on the outside is because it's so spacious on the inside. It gets high scores for ease of entry, exit and overall passenger volume, plus it has a big trunk. Rearward visibility, however, is a problem. Technology. We've had lots of experience with older versions of Chrysler's infotainment system, Uconnect, and we've even tested the newest Uconnect 8.4 system in other cars, but we haven't tested it in the 300 yet. In those other cars, though, it is lightning fast with crisp graphics and simple, logical menus. Other vehicles to consider: 2017 Chevrolet Impala sedan $35,645, 2017 Buick Lane Cross sedan $43,265. Compare similar vehicles.